Conservative Wave C sell. Live trade on the Aussie Kiwi. Hi traders, welcome to another live trade. This is the Aussie Kiwi. I think that we are really developing a nice trading pattern. But before we go and explain why I want to sell this pair, we need to go a little bit back. And let's say from here till the high over here, what can we see? We can see a strong push higher. And the move look what? Move look impulsive. 1, 2, some sort of 3, 4, and 5. So everything looks okay to call this a 5-wave move. And we know that after a 5-wave move, there should come at least A, B, and C pullback. So let's just go quickly and label this 5-wave move to the upside. Let's go 1, 2, 3 over here, 4, and 5. Now, this is complete. We need to check the rules. First rule is that wave 2 needs to hold above the starting point of the wave 1. That was fine. Wave 3 was definitely the larger than the wave 5, so that rule was also okay. And I'm talking about rule that say wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave of the waves 1, 3, and 5. And the final third rule is that the wave 4 needs to hold above the territory of the wave 2. That rule was also true. There was a nice divergence over here. So let's see what we had to the downside. We had a push down, spike up, push down. We can call this a spike up and push down. Also, there is a slight divergence over here between the price action and the RSI. And after it, we are seeing some sort of a 3-wave move higher. So if you're right, the minimum, this is going to be a wave A, looking for the wave B, and the wave C to the downside. Now, if in the wave A, we have 5 smaller waves, like we see over here, we know that that can only mean that we are going for a potential zigzag correction. So looking for a 3-wave move pullback and another 5-wave move down. So this gives us a good opportunity to short this pair. And we are going to enter this trade according to the rules. According to the rules, we need to have a 5-wave move completed before the wave A, and we need to have a 5-wave moves in the wave A. Both of pre-requirements are fine, so we can go draw a Fibonacci retracement from start to end of the wave A and use this 50% as our entry point. This is the conservative trade. So we are going to use our quick trader tool that's running. We are going to draw horizontal line and name it a sell. We are automatically going to get a stop loss and the target. We are moving the stop loss to the starting point of the wave A because that is according to our rules. And for the targets, we are going to use Fibonacci expansion and draw it from start to end of the wave A, looking for the 100% as our potential target point. Okay, so we have everything ready. We can move this Fibonacci expansion from the chart, and we are now going to wait for the market to come to our entry point and fill us. So we won't chase the market. I'm going to pause this video and I will come back once we are filled in this position. Hi traders, this is just the update of our Aussie Kiwi trade. Price did a nice 3-wave move to the upside and we got filled, so we are looking for a 5-wave move down before we potentially see a push higher. So only thing that we are going to do right now would be to move the wave B over here and move the wave C slightly lower just to have a better understanding. So I'm going to pause this video now and I will come back later once we hit our take profit or our stop loss, so I can give you more updates. Hi traders, Aussie Kiwi just hit our target points. So let's see what market did. We entered at the B wave pullback and we traded the wave C to the equalex of the wave A. It took a few days, but if you take a look at the terminal panel at the bottom, you're going to see that this trade alone made me $2,200. So for me, that's enough for one trade. And I know that there is going to be every single day at least one trade that I can take. According to the same rule, we enter this Aussie Kiwi. So guys, enjoy your day and I'll see you all in the next video.